Here on January 1st, one lucky family gets to say their baby was the first one born in the new year. In fact, here in Central Indiana, the first boy was born just 38 seconds after midnight early this morning. Now, this little boy was born at Franciscan Health. Both he and mom are doing just fine tonight with their gorgeous smiles there. And at IU North, Virginia and Levi Fluke of Noblesville, they welcomed Caden Bray Fluke into the new year at 12:49. The couple actually met when they were in the 3rd grade, and this is their first child together. And at Community Health, this little girl arrived at 12:01. All of these families will have a story to tell for the rest of their lives.
We were just talking that he's going to have an awesome memory book, right? I mean, so many great memories, New Year's baby and all of that. So, he's in for a treat when he grows up.
And, of course, congratulations to all of those very happy families.
President